He go off?
Hey, hey, okay, can my heat go off?
I'm Vermont, your zoologist. In the rainforest, we have many different types of animals. We have the slithery anaconda. See this? It's an anaconda. All right. And we have poison dart frogs. They're in the lake. We also have many doves. We also have okapi, which are like horse zebras.
Yeah.
See that? And we have sloths, which are very slow. Some interesting facts, some interesting adaptations too, is their camouflage. Many animals have to be camouflaged in the bush, like this. You can't see. All right. Some important facts about animal life. Some monkeys are omnivores, meaning they eat meat and leaves, so you better watch out. You might have a monkey eat you. All right. Did you know the sloths are super slow? And they sleep most of the day. Not some, but most of the day. And anaconda can unhinge their jaws. The rainforest has the highest percentage of doves and pigeons in the world. Yes. There are many other facts, but we don't have time for them all. To you, Brendan.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. All right, I'm Brendan. I'm the botanist. I do plants if you don't know what botanist means. Alright, in the rainforest, the Amazon rainforest, there are many different types of plants. Did you know the rainforest has 2/3 of the world's population of plants just in one place? No? Okay. Anyways, there are plants such as the lobster claws, the para rubber tree, my bad, orchids, and the Therombogo. Anyways, interesting facts. Hang on, let me get down here. Rainforest. Anyways, in the rainforest in the Amazon is responsible for 2/3 of the world's plants. Every species except 1/3 is not found in the rainforest. The soil you would think is really good. The soil in the rainforest you think is really good because of all the plants, but actually it's horrible. There are over 1,500 different types of flowering plants in the rainforest, and there are over 750 different types of trees. Now, why should we visit the rainforest, you know? You get to see so many trees that you probably will never see anywhere else. Also, plants have to adapt to flooding on a canvas. How did plants adapt in the rainforest? They developed curved leaves so that when it rains, they would flow off the leaves easily, all right? Also, they adapted, monkeys everywhere, you know? All right. Also, they had to adapt to flooding on the regular because of the rain. That's it. Now to you, Logan.
Hey, I'm the meteorologist Logan, and I'll be teaching you about the climate of the Amazon. The climate is very humid with varying temperatures. It's usually very warm and it rains year-round. There's a dry season and a wet season, and both seasons there is rain, but the dry season obviously has less rain.
Wow.
And some extreme weather events that can occur are tropical storms and flooding. Flooding usually happens during the wet season. The average temperature in the daytime is about 80 degrees, and the average temperature in the nighttime is about 50 degrees. And during the wet season, the water can rise up to 6 to 12 feet. Amazon River can rise as much to 40 feet. It's very dangerous to travel there during the wet season due to massive flooding. So, if you were to visit this biome, you would most likely want to visit during the dry season. It's great for hiking and fishing since the water levels have stabilized. That's all. Off to you, Alec.
Oh, sorry. I was just meditating. I'll be right there. That's better. The Amazon rainforest is located in South America in Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is huge. Spin around, spin around, spin around. See? Some landforms you can see when you're at the Amazon rainforest is Monkey Island, filled with monkeys. We'll go there later. And Madidi National Park. Beautiful place. I always like to go there with my family sometimes. Explain that later. Well, the rainforest, the Amazon rainforest is just tons of different There's a monkey throwing poop at me, I'm sorry. Look at the monkey boy over there. Sorry. Where was I? I lost my train of thought. Alright. The Amazon rainforest landscape is insane. It's just so big. There's so many like different types of like landscapes and all that, you know? There's like water. Water. Wow. Tons of monkeys everywhere. Let's go look at that monkey. Look at that one. That's a small one. You know that one's a baby. Get out of here, baby. Go find your mom. Alright, oh yeah. And sometimes there's even temples. Come up here with me. Parkour. Look at this. This is insane. Look at that fountain over there. What's that used for? I don't know. Say it. Stop it, monkey. Alright. Let's come back over here. A little safer place. Some things you can do with Amazon that's like really cool. You can row in rivers. Just look at the wildlife. Like look at the fish and all that. You know, just like you can see a pink dolphin, which is here. All right. Some more things you can do is hike. You see beautiful scenery. So you can have some fun. You can zip line, which is just insane. You can zip line with monkeys. Look at this guy right over here. Imagine if that little boy. Golly, I hate that guy. All right. You can bike. People made some like these like sidewalk trying things. You'll see that when you be there. Cause I know you're gonna be. I know you'll come because it's awesome. All right. And another thing is go on tours. You like get on these like big cars. Where you at least they fit like 20 people. Pretty cheap, $50. Whole group, 4 people in the group. Make sure you don't like wear like sweatshirts and stuff like that. I'm burning my butt off right now. PG right now. Alright. Why should you visit the Amazon? Why should you visit the Amazon? 4 words. It's the freaking Amazon!
Go off.
The soil is very bad in the rainforest.
What are you doing? No!
Don't ruin it! What are you doing?
What are you doing?
No, Alex, cut that one and I'll edit it.
Why should you visit the Amazon? 5 words. It's the freaking Amazon! Cut.
Bruh.
Your finger's in the way, isn't it?
Wow. Go.
I'm going. I'm doing the
That's
best
still
I
rolling.
can.
Yes, that's still rolling. Okay? I've given up my whole time for this.
Yeah, you know what? I skipped baseball.
You know what? Let's
I
fight. Huh? Let's go.
Wanna go? I'm so confused of what we were doing just now. Get away. I gotta film, then we'll go.
Blooper. That's a blooper. We can't
We'll just edit it out.
No, we can't do that. That's
Yeah,
a
we
blooper.
can.
edit stuff.
Oh my god.
Blooper, dude.
Dude, just cut
I'm
that
only
out.
on iMovie free stuff right now. Ew.
Yeah, you
Why is
can
this
just-
thing?
Okay, Brennan.
God. Oh wait.
Oh man, why did you turn? I gotta say that again.
We heard you.
Hey.